Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll explore some of the best apps and tools to make meal planning easier, faster, and more organized. Because technology can be your biggest ally in saving time, staying consistent, and making your nutrition goals effortless to maintain. Let's start with meal planning apps, your digital assistant for organizing recipes, creating grocery lists, and tracking nutrition. One of the most popular options is Mealime. It helps you create meal plans based on your goals, dietary preferences, and cooking time. It automatically generates grocery lists and even integrates with grocery delivery services. If you want something with more nutrition tracking, try MyFitnessPal. It's great for logging meals, tracking calories and macros, and syncing with wearable devices like Fitbits or Apple Watches. You can scan barcodes to quickly add foods and monitor your progress over time. Another excellent option is Paprika Recipe Manager. This app lets you save recipes from anywhere on the web, adjust serving sizes, and automatically create shopping lists. It's perfect for those who love collecting and organizing recipes in one place. If you like visual planning, check out Plan to Eat. It lets you drag and drop recipes onto a calendar to plan your week visually. You can also share plans with family members or friends for accountability. Next, let's talk about grocery shopping tools. Apps like AnyList and Out of Milk make creating and syncing grocery lists easy across multiple devices. You can categorize items by store section, set reminders, and even share lists with others in your household. If you prefer online grocery shopping, Instacart and Amazon Fresh are great options to save time. You can connect them directly to your meal planning apps for seamless grocery delivery. Now, let's move to food prep and kitchen organization tools. Trello and Notion may not be food apps, but they're fantastic for creating custom meal planning boards or tracking your weekly menu. You can organize recipes, track your goals, and even set reminders for when to prep certain ingredients. For kitchen timers and cooking guidance, Yumly and SideChef are amazing. They provide step-by-step instructions, cooking timers, and even video demonstrations to make cooking fun and beginner-friendly. If you love analyzing nutrition details, Chronometer is one of the most accurate apps for tracking vitamins and minerals. It's ideal for anyone who wants precise insights beyond just calories and macros. And for those managing family meals or kids' nutrition, Cozy Family Organizer is a must-have. It combines a shared calendar, meal planner, and grocery list all in one, perfect for busy households. Now let's talk about tools for food storage and prep. Investing in reusable glass containers, labeling tape, and a vacuum sealer can make your prepped meals last longer and stay fresher. For efficient chopping and prepping, a food processor or vegetable chopper can save you tons of time. And if you love smoothies or quick breakfasts, a high-speed blender like a NutriBullet or Vitamix is worth the investment. A digital food scale is another underrated tool. It helps with portion control and ensures your meals align with your nutrition goals. You don't need every gadget at once. Start with the basics that fit your routine. The goal is to make meal planning simple, not complicated. Remember, tools are meant to support your habits, not replace them. The most effective system is the one you'll actually use. Here's your quick recap. Use apps like Mealime or Plan to Eat for planning, MyFitnessPal or Chronometer for tracking, and tools like glass containers, choppers, and blenders for efficient prep. Experiment with a few, see what fits your workflow, and build your digital meal planning toolkit over time. In the next lesson, we'll talk about pantry organization and kitchen essentials, how to set up your space so meal planning becomes faster and more enjoyable. Let's dive in.